What is the best VPN app for Android? RK Shuvo says, CoverMeVPN is the best VPN app for an Android. CoverMeVPN use the most advanced security systems, AES, Advanced Encryption Standard, which is also known as Military-Grade Encryption. This system's used by the government, intelligence groups and cybersecurity expertise. There are no logs policy, that means it would not be save user information or records. Data will be automatically removed every 15 minutes. There are also have more features. You can enjoy 5 simultaneous connections at a time. They are using military-grade encryption for the security. It has no logs policy. It gives faster pace to 140+ international locations, 350+ locations, with 3K+ servers and 300K+ shared IP. You can switch one connection to another connection quickly, so the CoverMeVPN is the best VPN app for the Android. Brittany Gomez says, I have Android and I use NordVPN, so I suggest you to try it, because it has relevant price, works on 6 simultaneous devices and has really good speed when you're browsing internet. Visit their official site and you will see all info you need to know before becoming a member. Also, you can check others. I heard that there are several more quite good VPN suggestions for Android. Jong Lily says, to be honest, most things we do with VPN on Android are to unblock social media like INS or WhatsApp, watch videos and work safely. But the most concern is how fast and stable is its network speed. So you just need to pay attention to the features of the VPNs as below. When you are choosing the best VPN for Android, you can check its features like 1. Hide your IP address. 2. Protect your personal data. 3. Have wide options on servers. 4. Fast speed and stable connection guarantees. 5. Support IPv6. 6. Compatible with different devices. 7. And if it is free, there is no better choice than it. And there are several verified choices for you to cover the above features. iTop VPN. Highlight. Free with anonymous logins, ADs block, no limit on speed and bandwidth. NordVPN. Highlight. Free with a month free trial, change IP, and protect DNS. ExpressVPN. Highlight. 30 days money-back guarantee in speed, security, and simplicity of use. Surfshark VPN. Highlight. Cheap to use with a very friendly interface and added features. With a little info above, hope it can help in making a suitable selection depending on your demand. Thanks for watching our video on what is the best VPN app for Android.